There's a new version of Clubhouse. It's being released on Sunday 25th of April. I'm excited to look at what's new, and I'll do it with you now. By the way, if you're still new to Clubhouse, watch this video here where I'm guiding you through all the features and giving you a reason on why you should be on it. Here's the list of all the new updates. But let's start from the bottom. Yes, because Clubhouse has a new icon. The communication says, finally, we're excited to welcome Drue Kataoka as the latest Clubhouse app icon. Born in Tokyo and raised on the West Coast, Drue is an artist, technologist, activist,
who uses her platforms to organize events, campaigns, conversations, and representative art that raises awareness of critical contemporary societal issues, from hate and violence towards the Asian American community to racial justice and women's rights, to infant mortality and internal activism. Since joining Clubhouse last June, Drue has brought her passion for art and activism to Clubhouse, founding the Art Club, spearheading several philanthropic initiatives and leading thoughtful conversations, including 24 Hours of Love and the Stop Asian Hate campaign, which has raised nearly $85,000 for Asian American Federation.
Let's Google her and get a little bit more information. Drue Kataoka. And let's start from images. Yeah, she definitely looks like the girl we have on the Clubhouse icon. There is a Wikipedia section on her, but more interesting, let's have a look at her site, drue.net. Drue Kataoka Studios, Art and Technology. There is a video teaser, and let's look at the menu. Artworks. Let's see what she's doing. Interesting. Online protest, her social engagement. After the Celestial Axe. She does cool stuff. I'll definitely explore more about her, and I'll let you do so too. Let's go to Clubhouse and look for her. Here she is. Well, she already has 698,000 followers. That's pretty big. And now she'll have 1 follower more. Let's also have a look at the profile. Artist, technologist, and CEO of Drue Art Studios. Drue.net. That's the site that we just had a look at. Serving some of the world's top collectors in 5 continents and over 30 countries. She's known for, she speaks in third person. She's known for her ambrosia artworks, celestial lace mirror polished steel sculptures, and her work in VR and other tech media. Let's now have a look at what are the new features of Clubhouse. Back to the top of the press release. Hi all, here's what's new in today's release. Have a club, bring in your audience. What is it about? Now, when you schedule an event, you'll get a link loaded with invites that you can share externally with your friends, co-workers, or followers. If they're not yet on Clubhouse, they'll be able to skip the waitlist, attend your event, and automatically join your club. Okay, that's great news for all of you who are still on the waiting list. If I understand well, then if you create an event and share the link, those who will be participating will automatically be accepted in Clubhouse and will be following your club. Then what do we have? View upcoming events on club pages. Now when someone views your club page, they'll see any upcoming events your club is hosting listed right at the top. That's a great feature and I was looking forward to it. Before this release, one had no clue about the future events hosted by a club. And I'm happy that this has changed now. This is my club, and yes, I have 2 events scheduled under my club. One it's an event of mine, and one it's an event of members of the club. This one, scaling your business using technology. This club has no scheduled rooms. Okay, that's also interesting to see. Comedy Club Lunchtime Improv tomorrow at 7. I think it's really great. You can have a look at your favorite clubs and then put a placeholder on your calendar so you can plan some time to attend your favorite rooms. The next one is view combined follower counts on club pages. Previously, club pages only showed member counts, which didn't tell the whole picture if your club has a lot of followers. To help with that, we now show a combined reach count at the top, which includes both members and followers. Going to my club, now there are 119. Until yesterday, I would only see the number of followers and the number of members, which is now grouped together. Just a small feature. Then we have higher quality audio. Last month, we added the ability to adjust the quality of your audio so that people could hear you in high def. With this release, we are upping the default audio quality so everyone sounds better. If you want to crank the quality up even more, just tap the 3 dots icon when you're speaking and select audio quality high. I think the audio quality in Clubhouse was already pretty good, but I'll definitely give it a try with this new feature. Oh, what I see here, it's on a call indicator. Have you ever been on stage with someone and their audio mysteriously cuts out? Yes, indeed. This might have been because they received an incoming phone call mid-sentence. Now, if that happens, you'll see a small badge on their profile photo indicating that they are on a call. I think that's useful. It happened to me many times that somebody was cut off and you didn't know whether they were on a call or just their internet connection was bad. So if you see this icon, it means that you just need to be patient until their call is ended and they will be back to the discussion. Language-specific club suggestions. Previously, when you browsed the topic directory, the suggestion you saw didn't take language into account. So people around the world were seeing a whole lot of English clubs. Now they're language specific, so hopefully they will be far more relevant to everyone. I think that's also great. One of the things that I didn't like of Clubhouse so far is that the rooms that were proposed to me were not always following my interests, and lots of rooms in random languages were suggested. So I think that's a big improvement.
And then lots of plumbing for improved discovery, search quality, notification quality, and abuse prevention. Most of the work we've been doing these past few weeks has been under the hood. We've added a ton of plumbing to help make the follow suggestions, clubs, rooms, search results, and notifications you receive better and better over the coming weeks and months. We've also added a lot of tooling to help continuously improve trust and safety.
So that's more of behind-the-scene work, which is also very important. Great, that's the part on Drue Kataoka that we've already gone through. And now going forward, we're planning to do more frequent releases so that we can have more fun updates for you every week. And we're all looking forward to that. If you want to stay tuned with the future releases, then subscribe to my channel. If you're new to Clubhouse and want to know how it works and why you should be on it, then watch this video here. See you in my next digital tip.